Johnny CarSanook back on the road. Where are we? Outside Bangkok in Samut Prakan province. You see the mangrove? We're very close to the sea. And testing the all new Honda Accord. 1.5 liter turbocharged, 190 horsepower. This is the 10th generation Honda Accord. Over 40 years ago since the first one was launched, and this is the all new Honda Accord. Let's start with the steering wheel. You need to adjust the wheel. Okay, you can do it this way, and this way. Right. For the perfect driving position. Right. What else have we got here? Paddle shifters. This is a CVT, continuously variable transmission, Honda style. Again, the 10th generation. The previous generations, the CTV was a little bit jerky, like a little bit of a rubber band. Not anymore. It works very well, the new CVT. And also I got the eco mode, save fuel, or if you want to go more fun with the paddle shifters like Kimi Räikkönen or Mika Häkkinen, use the paddle shifters. Fine. What else have we got here? 7-inch screen. Got everything. AM, FM. Navigation, no, but apart from that, what I like very much with the new Honda Accord is the knobs. There were so many complaints about the touch screen, the touch tune, and the volume, so Honda brought back the knobs. Oh yeah, here we go. Scan. Yeah, it works. Station. Scanning.
การห้ามนั่งท้ายกระบะ
Wow.
ได้เวลาใช้กฎหมายแล้วหรือยัง
Very
มี
good.
ทั้งฝั่งที่เห็นด้วย
That's it. Wow, that's the radio. Temperature also aluminum knobs. Knobs. I love knobs. It's easy to control everything. Oh, there goes the aircon. Right. What else have we got here? Storage. Fine. You can put your drinks here, and the shifter is good. Easy to operate. And what else? Well, for the shades, that's it. Mirror, yes. And as you know, Johnny likes to work out, so I got the grab handle here. Yeah, there we go. That's good. Grab handle. Oh yeah. Oh, armrest. Yes. Headrest. Yes. Oh yeah. That's less than 1.5 million baht. 1475 exactly. That's all you get. It's a lot. It's a lot of Honda. Yeah. No. Wow. Okay. I'm in the back seat now. I'm in the back seat. And the space. Amazing. Look at this. One more time. The armrest, cup holders, got avalanche, extra ventilation, and you know what we call this one? Not the ceiling light, we call it the dome light. That's it. It's called the dome light. And what do we call this? The ceiling? No, it's called the roof liner. The roof liner. Okay, what else have we got here? Well, for 2 persons, any size.
Det var Åsta.
Ja.
For 2 persons.
For 2 persons, any size. big or small, plenty of space. Absolutely, you can stretch your legs. And armrest up, you can fit 3 people. Wow, as a family car, the new Honda Accord 1.5 liter would be perfect. Absolutely. Right, yeah. Grab holder. We got this little nice window there. The A, B, C pillar window. What else have we got here? Yeah, very, very good. Surprisingly, because it's been extended and longer than the previous, but lighter than the previous model. All new Honda Accord 1.5 liter turbocharged. Let's look at the styling. Bold and beautiful. A little bit aggressive up in the front. LED lights. 40 years. Honda Accord. 10th generation. Look at the side view. Long, sleek, but wider and a little bit longer than the previous generation. Again, this is the 10th generation Honda Accord 1.5 liter turbocharged. Roofline, a little bit like a fastback with the shark fin antenna over there. Brake light cluster with Accord. That's it. Just plain Accord, Honda logo, and a little bit of a spoiler here. That's it. Looking good. Let's pop the hood. Oh, it's warm. Nice and warm in the mangrove. Voila. Here we go. Let's look at the engine. Earth Dreams technology. VTEC turbo. 190 horsepower. 243 Newton meter of torque. Here it is. Honda's 1.5 liter downsized petrol engine. Used to be 2.4, now 1.5 liter engine, and there's enough power. 190 horsepower. Fuel consumption around 15 to 16 kilometer per liter, depending on how much acceleration, but at least 15, would say, combined drive, 15 liter per kilometer. 95 gas or oil. Fine. And now it's time to take it for a spin. All right. Goodbye mangrove. Samut Prakan province. Here we go. Johnny CarSanook at the wheel. The all new Honda Accord 1.5 liter turbocharged. Price 1,475,000. Let's say less than 1.5 million. And now I'm in the green eco mode. Save fuel, nice and smooth driving. Nice and peaceful over there. And now it's getting busy. Now it's getting busy again. Look at the traffic. Inbound, Bangkok, Chonburi to the right. And we're going to make a left turn here now. Going from Bangkok, right. So now I'm going to engage the sport mode. Yeah, feel the power. I have to repeat this. Honda Accord used to be 2.4 liter, 2.2 liter, and now it's downsized to 1.5, but turbocharged. used to be normally aspirated, as they say. Normally aspirated. Yeah, that's what they say. Means like breathing normally, no turbo. But here we got the turbocharger and makes a big difference. More power. Okay, now Johnny's gonna step on it. There we go. Voila. 1.5 liter engine. Fantastic. I love it. Okay. Warnings, a little bit quiet, but still all right. This Honda, I mean, you know, there's so many cars. You've got the stick shift, you got the automatic, like, but this one is so smooth and powerful. So, combination, smoothness, and power. That's it. Cool. Wow. The verdict. Honda Accord 1.5 liter turbocharged family sedan, in my opinion, amazing regarding comfort, drive, handling, and one more time, the engine. This is the beauty. There's no hybrid, no cables, no charging, no batteries, just a plain 1.5 liter downsized powerful engine. That's it. Recommendation, go for a test drive and you'll find out. This is Johnny CarSanook on the way from Samut Prakan and the mangrove, shining out. Please subscribe and like.